Hello everyone, this is the online class of MSc of class 8. In the previous video, we have already given the explanation of chapter number 3. So in this video, I will give the question answers and exercises of chapter number 3. You have to complete the question answers in the notebook and exercises in the book. And you have to learn this question answers and exercises also. So first of all, I am giving the exercise that is true and false. This true and false is given on page number 19. Page number 19. So the first one is Hari was not satisfied with his lot because he was being underpaid. False. Second, Hari was frustrated because he could not pursue his MBA. False. Hari did not know that hacking was a legal offense. False. Hari was convinced that Austin would not misuse the hacked information. True. Fifth, Hari deserved the prison sentence. True. Then the next exercise is application questioned. Application questioned. In this you have to tick the correct option. So first one is the mango sapling you had planted a few years ago has not yet borne fruit. Option C is correct. I will consult an expert to find out the reason. Second, you are asked by your biology teacher to compile a herbarium of leaves that you find in your vicinity. B, I will buy a the option A is correct. I will collect different leaves in my spare time and complete the task in a few weeks. Third, you are unable to learn the sitar despite the training you are getting from an expert. Option A is correct. I will put more effort into the endeavor and keep training till I learn it. Fourth, you are asked by your literature teacher to write 5 short stories as a project. So the B is right option. I will write the stories myself in my spare time even if they are not good. Fifth, a friend of yours is not giving up certain bad habits despite your repeated entreaties. The option A is correct. I will continue pleading with him/her with greater effort. So these are the answer of application question. Here one more exercise is given. Write down the experience that you had while you tackled unfavorable situations. It means you have to write the some experience when you are facing some unfavorable condition. जो condition आपने कभी expect नहीं की थी, अगर ऐसी कोई कंडीशन आई तो उसके बारे में आपको एक्सपीरियंसेस लिखने हैं अपने कि आपने उसे पेशेंस के साथ हैंडल कैसे किया और कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम जिसे आपने इम्पेशेंस के साथ हैंडल किया. ओके, सो देयर कैन बी टू problems, one which is handled by you with patience and one which is handled by you with impatience. For example, I am giving you the example. For suppose you are having the surprise exam tomorrow. Then with patience you study the whole night and you have given the exam and you got the good marks. This is the example of with patience. And with impatience you are selected for the football team and within 3 days you are having a match, but you don't practice and when the match is there you lost that match. So this is the situation with impatience. So you can write the experiences. This is your homework. This exercise is your homework. You have to complete this exercise yourself. Okay, now I am giving the question answer of this chapter. So the first question is, why was Hari not happy with his lot? So you can write the answer number 1. Hari was not happy with his lot because he wanted to get on the top in the less time. Second, what prompted Hari to accept Mr. Austin's proposal? Answer is Hari accepted Mr. Austen's proposal as he was impatient and he could not wait for big time success to come to him. Okay. Now the next answer number third. How did Hari override his conscience? It was a long slog before him to reach the top if he continues in his job. On the other hand, if he started his own company, he could achieve many times more in a much shorter span of time. This is the answer number third. Okay. Then the question number 4. Did Hari achieve what he wanted to? So the answer is patience was not his forte, and his impatience to get to the top cost him not only his career but also landed him on the wrong side of the law. Fifth question is, what would you have done had you been in Hari's place? If I have been in Hari's place, I would wait for the time with my hard work to reach on that height. We have to never lose our patience. This is the moral of the story. Okay, so it can be a question also, what is the moral of the story? Named rewards of patience. Okay, and on page number 21 a message is given. On page number 21 the message is given, patience and perseverance are fruitful virtues which bring contentment and long lasting happiness to a person. Aptitude and skill are of no use unless tempered with patient application and persevering dedication. So you can learn this message also. This message can come in exam directly by giving the name of the chapter, that you have to write the message of this chapter, or it can come in the form of the fill in the blanks also. Okay, so you have to learn this message properly. Now I am ending this video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.